Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, my name is Vijay and today I'm going to show you how to add audio in Google Slides. So friend, in this video I will show you step by step all the things. So friend, this video will help you to add audio in your Google Slides. So friend, this is my sample slide and here I'm going to show you how this file will look. So here you can see this is my audio which I already added and how it will look like. So friend, here you can see this is my preview section, and when I click over here then this audio will play. So friend, this is the way you can easily add audio. So this is my sample file. Right now I'm going to show you how you can put this audio file in your Google Slides. So what we will do here, we are going to simply search Google Slides. Okay, so what happened, this page will open. You simply click on this Google Slides. So now friend, you can see this is my Google Slides dashboard. You simply click on this go to slides. So friend, now we are going to create a sample file. Okay, so here I'm going to select any template. So here right now we can show lookbook is a good template. Right now we are going to click on that. So friend, now you can see this is my sample slide. Okay, and here I'm going to put audio, okay, which we seen in demo file. Okay, you simply click on this insert and then click on this audio. So whenever you click here, then you will get three options. My drive audio, if you have audio, you can simply upload your audio in your drive, so you will get these things. And here you will see share with me link. If someone is sharing audio file, then you can simply put that link, okay, of Google Drive. And here you will see the recent, which I use this audio file, so you will get the recent list. So now we are going to put this one and select it. So friend, now you can see this speaker icon is showing over here, and here friend you can see audio play settings. Okay, so here you will see on click automatic. When you select the automatic, so whenever you run this slide, then this audio will play automatically. Let's see how it will look. So friend, you can see that this audio file is automatically played, and here you can change many things, like you can hide this button. Okay, and here you will see this loop audio, so that video will play and play again and play. Okay, so these things you can do. Now you can see the size rotation. If you want to increase the size of this button, then you can easily use it. Okay, by this way you can put very easily like this. Okay, and here you can also see the lock aspect ratio, so that will also, you can also change the rotation, like angle. You can also change this type of locations and angles, you can change very easily, right? And here you will see this position is top, left or right. You can add center, all the things you can easily put over here. Okay, now you can see the recolor. If you want to change the color of this speaker, you can simply change like this, so that will change automatically. So this is also available to change the theme of your audio button. Okay, now you can see the adjustment. If you want to change the transparency or brightness, so you can easily use it. Okay, contrast and all, you can check it out. Okay, so you can here, right, we are going to reset, and here if you want to add the reflection or drop box, so you can see this drop shadow is showing over here. When I check, this things is showing here. Reflection, if you want the reflection things, you can simply put, so this type of reflection will showing. So friend, this way you can easily customize all the things which you want. And right now we are going to showing you how you can upload this audio in Google Drive. Okay, so what we will do, simply open Google Drive, and here you can see this is my Google Drive, and right now we are going to create one folder that is audio. Okay, so create new folder, then audio. So audio folder is created now, and here you can see my sample file over here, right? You can also add other file also. Here simply right click, or you can click on this new, so you will get this upload option or folder option. You simply click on this file option, and now we are going to find out the audio first. For example, here I have my intro. Okay, so you can use anything, but right now we are going to add the audio first, right? So find out the audio. Okay, so now I'm going to put audio over here. So I have created this audio file, and now we are going to put the audio. You simply click on this right click, and then you will get this option. Also you can click on this new button and you will get this file upload option, right? So here you can see this is my path, and right now we are going to put this audio. So here already I have copied my path, so this is my already audio is showing over here. We are going to click on this audio file, so that file will automatically upload into this Google Drive folder. Okay, so now you can see this file is uploaded. Now here we are going to click on this file, and then we click on this share button, right? So here you will get these options. We are going to click here anyone with the link. You simply click on that, and here viewer option, you simply click on this copy link, okay, and click on this done button. Now we are going to add that file, okay, audio file over here. Simply click on this insert button and then click on this audio, and now you can see this file is automatically showing because we have uploaded that file on our audio. But you can also simply paste that real link, so this will automatically showing. So friend, you can see simply select that file, that will automatically showing over here. Simply select and that file will add over here automatically. So now you can see this file is added, and now we are going to check it out how it will look. So friend, you can see this is sample audio file which I have uploaded in our Google Drive, and that will automatically showing in Google Slides presentation file. Okay, so here we have added all the things. Friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click on blue like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things, how to add audio in Google Slides. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. Here you have learned how to add audio in Google Slides. So friend, if you like this video, then click on blue like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.